Hello everyone. Welcome to the C++ tutorial series. Lecture 4 Part 2 Data Types in C++. In previous lecture, we have seen constants, variables and keywords. In today's class, our objective is data types. Data types means which type of data we should enter in particular variable. In C++, there are 5 types of fundamental data types available: integer, character, float, double, and void. Let's see an example to understand it. Int x, y assign 7. Char ch equal to p. Float s equal to 3.45. Double h5. They all are declaration statement called variable declaration. In any one line, we can declare only one type of variable declaration. Now let's see the method of declaring a variable. First you have to write data type name. For example, here int. After then you have to make space, one character space, and write variable name. If you want to assign more variable of same data type, then use comma and write another name. For example, here I write y assign 7. Now give the answer. In all 4 lines, how many variable we declare? 5 variables. Void data type specify that the function does not return a value. Void specify that the function takes no parameter. When program will run in computer memory, all variables block their own space, means they occupy some space in particular location, which called variable declaration. We are already discussed in our previous lecture. X and y is a integer type variable. Ch is a character type variable. What is the type of s variable? The answer is float. अगर आपको कोई पूछे कि इस वेरिएबल का टाइप क्या है, मीन्स दे आस्क यू द डेटा टाइप ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर वेरिएबल. Here float is a data type of variable s. H5 is a data type double. Storage capacity of data types. As a programmer, you should know the storage capacity of each and every data types. Integer. Int data type occupy 2 bytes, means it's accept integer constant. Integer constant means जिसमें points नहीं आते हैं ऐसे number. Character, it's occupy 1 bytes. And what type of constant we can accept here? Character means in single inverted comma we write any one character. Float occupy 4 bytes in computer memory and it accept real constant. Real constant means जिसके अंदर points आते हैं. For example, we already give example here 3.45. Double data type occupy 8 bytes and it's also accept real constant, means it's a number who accept points like 3.45. What is byte? As you know, it's a unit of computer memory. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. In C++, we can write declaration statement after action statement. For example, here CLR is useful for clear the output screen and it's called a action statement. After the action statement, we can write here a declaration statement. For example, int y assign 7. This is a declaration statement. In programming world, equal to is called assigning, means we are assign a value, and after that you have to write semicolon to complete that particular line. So that's all for today's class. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो कृपया लाइक बटन पे क्लिक करना ना भूलें ताकि YouTube इस वीडियो को और भी लोगों तक पहुंचाए। यदि आप चाहते हैं कि मेरे सारे नए वीडियो के अपडेट्स आपको हमेशा मिलते रहें तो इस वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्राइब बटन पर क्लिक करें और हाँ, पास में दिए गए बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड गुड बाय एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।